Is there a doctor on board? Please press your call button. A passenger needs assistance. Oh man, Love Island season 6 was just getting good. I pause my show and press my call button. I'm escorted to the first class cabin. There's a man there slumped over his tray table. I tap him and shout, "Are you okay?" He's not breathing. Skin looks kind of blue. Nope, definitely not okay. We lay him in the aisle and I get ready to start CPR. So, yes, I am a real doctor. Same exact career path as every character Noah Wyle has ever played. But in my ER, I have a whole team, equipment, monitors, lots of stuff. Up here, 30,000 feet, no stuff. I'm just a nerd who knows CPR. But here's the thing. That means you too can be a nerd who knows CPR. We all should be nerds who know CPR. If you're with someone who has a cardiac arrest and you do CPR right away, you increase their chance of survival, even if you're not a medical professional. CPR class takes about 2 hours, costs the same as 2 tickets to Ignite. In CPR class, we teach hands-only CPR. Push hard, push fast, right in the middle of the chest. Mouth to mouth is now optional. Sorry if you're disappointed, I don't make the rules. The goal of CPR is to keep the blood moving around the body, bringing oxygen to the important organs like the brain. Sometimes people are worried about pushing too hard, hurting the person's ribs, and that's valid, but I think we can all agree that the brain is more important than the ribs. You also have to push pretty fast, and it might be faster than you think. It's to the same beat as Staying Alive for the boomer crowd or Golden for our Gen Z fans. So we're staying alive up here. What do we need next? We need an AED. An AED is easy to use and anyone can use one. It talks to you and tells you step-by-step instructions. An AED analyzes the heart rhythm and only gives a shock if a shock is needed. Fun fact, there are AEDs all over in public spaces. They're in gyms, they're in malls, they're in most planes. Not so fun, even when an AED is nearby and it's needed, it's not always used because people don't think to look for it. So here's my challenge to you. When you're out and about in public spaces, look around, see if you can spot the AED. The closest one may be behind you. Now, this is the point in my talk when I was going to proudly point out to you the AEDs in town hall, but wah, wah. We don't have one in here. I don't want to make it a whole big deal now, but you guys, maybe we should get one? Anyway, we'll talk about it later. So anyway, back to the plane. We get the AED, we follow the instructions, a shock is delivered, and the man survives. Yay! Thank you. Back to my coach seat and my reality shows. So that story had a happy ending, but I still get to be up here for 1 more minute. So let's talk about one other way that you can save a life. Let's say you're at a party and your friend's taken some pills and now you can't wake them up. Their breathing is slow, their pupils are really small. These are signs of an opioid overdose. Opioid overdose, #1 cause of accidental death in the US right now. Opioids like oxycodone, fentanyl, heroin are found in prescription pain medicine and contaminated street drugs. The antidote for opioid overdose is called Narcan. Narcan comes as a nasal spray, and anybody can use it. If someone's overdosed and you can't wake them up, call 911, you can spray Narcan in their nose. If you got it wrong, Narcan doesn't hurt them, but if you got it right, you may have saved a life. In Washington pharmacies, anyone can get Narcan, no prescription needed. I always carry it with me, but today, of course, this dress, no pockets, right, women? So I had to be a little creative, but I have it here. For Narcan. So, in summary, let's all be nerds who know CPR. Look for AEDs like you're looking for Waldo. and carry Narcan, but don't forget to wear clothes with pockets. Thank you.